How to add music to your Facebook photo post. So first you'll need to open up the Facebook application, and then you want to click on the plus button on the top here, and then select post. Now you want to click on photo/video and give it access to your files so that you can select the image or the photo that you want to use on your post. And then you want to click on your photo again to put it on the post. And then you can write something on top of the post, anything you want. Now to add music to it, you'll simply need to press on the edit button here and then click on the music icon or logo at the top. And from here you can search for the song or the music that you want to add. So for example, I'm going to click on a random music, this one. And you should be able to start hearing your music and adjusting which part of the music you want to play. You can also click and move this. And once you select the part, you can press the down button and move this widget wherever you want. So you can put it on the side if you want to, like this. And now you should press the down button, and this should add the music to your image. And now you should simply press the post button to post your photo or image post, and then just wait for it to finish publishing. And once it's published, you can go to your profile and you should be able to see your post along with the music. And once you hover over it, the music should start playing. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.